Welcome to Designing in an LMS as part of the Excellence in Online Teaching and Learning program. My name is Casey Fulton and I work as a learning designer in the Center for Teaching and Learning. I'm so excited to be the facilitator for this particular module. I've worked in online education for a very long time, and I know how incredibly important it is to be intentional and thoughtful in course design, and in particular, what that course design looks like in an LMS. At the end of the module, you would have had the opportunity to discuss the connection between course design in an LMS and on online learning. There's some excellent articles and some studies that are provided for you in this module, and you'll have an opportunity to dig into those and discuss those with your colleagues as part of the module. You'll also have the opportunity to apply outcomes-based curriculum design to online course design, and I look forward to meeting and connecting with you when your certified project is complete. Now, this is a self-paced, self-directed module, which means you won't see a lot of me and you won't hear a lot from me, but I will be thinking about each and every one of you throughout your whole time within the module. And I invite you, please, at any time, if you have any questions or comments about anything in the module, and in particular about the certified project once you get started, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll be thinking about each and every one of you, and I look forward to connecting with you at the end and discussing your certified project.